Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your profile picture on Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening up the website, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, where you can search for a job that you want to find or something similar. So guys, now the first thing we have to do to be able to add our profile picture is to go ahead and sign into your account. We can do that by clicking the sign in button right here in the upper right corner that will appear. Click on sign in and then enter in your profile info or create a new account if you do not have one already, and after that and logging in, you'll now be back at this home page right here. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to add and change our profile picture on Indeed. So guys, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and click the profile icon right here in the upper right corner. Click on that profile icon, and this is now going to open up this new drop down menu with options, and you want to go ahead and select the first option right here, which is profile. Click on profile guys, and this will now take you to this new page where you can see you can manage your profile info, you can add a resume and so on. So guys, as you can see, here is our profile icon, and sadly you cannot change your profile picture. You can only have your initials of your name and that will be your profile picture, but there is no way to change it. So if you want to enable for your employers to see what you look like, then the only thing you can do is upload your resume and include a picture in that resume. So yeah guys, you want to go ahead and upload a document from your PC and you want to include a picture in that document, and that way employers will be able to see your picture. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.